Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about microbiology. So let's start the topic with introduction. Microbiology is a branch of science that study microscopic organisms including bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa and algae. These microorganisms are too small to be seen with the naked eye and require microscope for observation. Microbiology play a vital role in medicine, agriculture, industry and environmental sciences. It helps in understanding infectious diseases, developing antibiotics, manufacturing vaccines, and advancing biotechnology. History and development of microbiology. The field of microbiology has developed over several centuries through major scientific discoveries. First is discovery of microorganism. In the late 17th century, Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe microorganisms using a simple microscope. He described bacteria, protozoa, and other microscopic life forms. Then there was golden age of microbiology, that is during the 19th century scientists like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch made groundbreaking contribution. Pasteur disapproved the theory of spontaneous generation and developed vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Koch established the germ theory of disease and formulated Koch's postulates which identified the relationship between microbes and specific diseases. Then there are modern microbiology. There are advances such as electron microscopy, molecular biology, and genetic engineering have expanded the field, making it possible to study viruses, DNA sequencing, and microbial metabolism in detail. Branches of microbiology include bacteriology, that is the study of bacteria, their structure, metabolism, and roles in diseases and industry. Second branch is virology, that is study of virus and viral diseases. It includes research on replication, transmission, and antiviral therapies. Third branch is mycology, that is study of fungi including yeast and molds. The fungi play a role in decomposition, food production, and disease known as mycosis. Fourth branch is parasitology, that is study of parasites such as protozoa and helminths and their interaction with hosts. Fifth branch is immunology, that is study of immune system and how it responds to microorganisms. Sixth branch is environmental microbiology, that is the field focused on microorganisms in natural environment including soil, water, and air. Seventh branch is industrial microbiology, that is use of microbes for producing antibiotics, enzymes, alcohols, vitamins, and food products. Characteristics of microorganism. They include microscopic size. Most microorganisms range from micrometers to nanometer in size. Second characteristic is simple structure, as microbes often lack complex cellular organization. For example, bacteria are prokaryotes without a nucleus. Third characteristic is rapid reproduction, as many microorganisms reproduce quickly through binary fission or budding that allow rapid population growth. Fourth characteristic is diverse metabolism, as microbes can survive in extreme conditions and utilize various energy sources, including sunlight, chemical, and organic matter. Importance of microbiology include in medicine, as microbiology is essential in diagnosing infectious diseases, developing vaccines, and producing antibiotics. Understanding pathogens help control diseases like tuberculosis, influenza, and COVID-19. Second importance of microbiology is agriculture, as beneficial soil microbes help fix nitrogen, promotes plant growth, and control pests. Some microbes also cause plant diseases. Third importance is in industry, as microbes are used to produce bread, cheese, yogurt, beer, wine, vitamins, and enzymes. They play a major role in fermentation technology. Fourth importance is environmental management, as microorganisms break down waste and pollutants. That is a process known as bioremediation. They also recycle nutrients like carbon and nitrogen. Fifth importance is research and biotechnology, as microorganisms are model organisms in genetic engineering, gene cloning, and vaccine development. They are vital in producing insulin, growth hormones, and monoclonal antibodies. Microbiological structures and functions. First type is bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotes with a simple cell structure. Key features of it include cell wall, that is made up of peptidoglycan. They have cell membrane, that is also called as plasma membrane. They have cytoplasm with ribosome. They have DNA in nuclear region. They have flagella or pili for movement and attachment. Second type is viruses. Viruses are acellular particles that are composed of genetic material that may be DNA or RNA. They are enclosed in a protein coat that is called as capsid. They cannot reproduce independently and must infect a host cell. Third microbiological organism is fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms with cell walls made up of chitin. They can be unicellular or multicellular. Fourth type is protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled eukaryotes that are found in water and soil, and they often act as parasites in humans and animals. Microbiological growth and control. First is requirement for growth. Microbes need nutrients, moisture, suitable temperature, pH, and oxygen levels to grow. Second requirement is sterilization, as sterilization destroys all microorganisms and spores using methods such as autoclaving, dry heat, and chemical sterilant. Third is disinfection, as disinfection reduces harmful microbes on surfaces using disinfectants like bleach or alcohol. Fourth is antibiotics or antimicrobials. These substances inhibit microbial growth or kill microorganisms. Overuse of them can lead to antibiotic resistance. Microorganisms and diseases include pathogens. Pathogens are microbes that cause disease. Examples include Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Plasmodium species, and influenza viruses. Second is mode of transmission, as disease spread through air, water, food, physical contact, and vectors like mosquitoes and contaminated surfaces. Third is host immune response, as immune system detect and eliminate pathogens including innate and adaptive mechanisms. Applications of microbiology. They include food microbiology, study how microbes participate in food spoilage, foodborne disease, and fermentation. Second application is medical microbiology. It involves diagnostic methods such as staining, culturing, and molecular testing to identify pathogens. Third application is genetic engineering, as microorganisms are used to create genetically modified organisms. They produce insulin and develop vaccines. Fourth application is environmental microbiology that focus on wastewater treatment, pollution control, and ecosystem balance. Conclusion of this lecture video. Microbiology is a foundational scientific field that impacts nearly every aspect of human life. It helps in understanding disease, improving public health, advancing biotechnology, and protecting the environment. With continuous research and technological advancement, microbiology continues to solve global health challenges and support innovations in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Its role in shaping the modern world is indispensable and ever growing. And this was all about microbiology. Hopefully, you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.